Now our second program is for addition of two numbers. That means we have to take two numbers from the user and then we have to add them and produce the sum as the output. So let's see how it's done. Now let us write a program for calculating sum of two numbers. So open your notepad. In order to find sum of a number, you will first input the numbers from the user, and to import the number from the user, you will have to import a scanner. So you'll have to type first, before declaring class, you have to first import the scanner. So import java.util.scanner. Make sure the S is capital. Give a semicolon. Okay. Now you will declare a class. So public class sum. Make sure the S is capital. Now you will declare the main method. As I said, always inside a class you have to declare a main method. So public static void main, and for taking arguments from the user, string args. Now you will write the main logic inside these. So first you will have to int number 1, number 2. Int is the data type of the numbers that you are taking from the user. So all the three variables, number 1, number 2 and sum, are of integer data type. Now declare an object for the scanner. So scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in. So this is for declaring an object for the scanner. In order to take input from the user, you have to use this object sc. So now let us take the input from the user. So ask the user to enter a number by writing system.out.println. Enter number 1 or first number. Okay, so this is for taking the first number from the user. Now the first number would be taken from the user using the scanner object, which is sc. So we'll have to write sc dot next int. What is this int? It is the data type of the number 1. If it is double, then you have to write sc dot next double. If it is float, you have to write sc dot next float. Since it is int, you will have to write sc dot next int. Similarly, you have to take the number 2 from the user in the same manner. So input number 2 from the user. So this is how the second number would be taken from the user using the sc object. Now sc is not a fixed or a compulsory variable. You can use any variable, scanner x or scanner sc, etc. Now sum is equals to number 1 plus number 2. This is our basic logic. So now you have calculated the sum. Let us print the sum as our output. So sum of the two numbers. Okay, now you will join the variable sum to this output line by using a plus symbol. So your plus symbol will join the value of sum to this line sum of two numbers. Now let us save the program. Make sure the file name is same as the class name. So the file is saved on the desktop. Now open your command prompt. Check the directory. It is not on desktop. So type cd desktop. So now you have to compile by typing java c sum.java. So the code is compiled without any error. So let's execute. So java sum.java. So the code is executed. Now enter first number. Let's enter 10, 5, and here we get the sum. So this is how you execute.